Version control is a method used for incrementing, tracking, and recording changes in documents or files that occur over time in a systematic manner. Versioning organizes the history of changes in a logical order and allows for review or revision rollback if needed. Version control solution can vary widely depend on intended use and how the system is designed to work. Beyond that, other version control features that can be applied to version control software to create a robust version control solution. Centralized version control system is simple, allows every contributor to the application code or file to know what the others are working on, making it easier to communicate and manage the people based on a specific task. Centralized version control system is a single place everyone can check in and check out. This model works for backup, undo, and synchronization, but isn't great for merging and branching changes people make. As projects grow, you want to split features into chunks, developing and testing in isolation, and slowly merging changes in the main line. Distributed version control systems can be seen as self-contained, mostly local, very little depends upon network. There is no single central copy of the code or repository. Instead, the repository, including its full change history, is replicated or cloned onto each developer local machine. Distributed version control system is unique in terms of branching and merging can happen automatically and quickly. Developers have ability to work offline. Multiple copies of the software eliminate reliance on single backup. A distributed version control system, each node is completely independent and sharing is optional.